Good day mga Kabayan Techers! This is your The Kabayan Tech. Again, it's another troubleshooting Thursday. What we're going to do today is we're going to transfer the True Tone function from one screen to the other using the Qianli Copy Plus.
Welcome.
So let's begin. Okay, so dito sa scenario natin, we're going to assume na we are repairing a phone na wala tayong access doon sa phone, meaning hindi natin mapapasukan ng passcode. It's because it's through the owner and we are just repairing this iPhone 8 for them. So in this case, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na meron po tayong True Tone function here. Makikita nyo sa kanya na naka-enable siya. So dito kailangan natin palitan also yung ating screen adhesives. And then, meron tayo itong brand new screen. Usually, yung magtatanong sa akin, so what's the difference between the JCV1S and the iCopy Qianli? Actually, ito yung una kong device bago ako pumunta doon sa JCV1S. I find this one, the Qianli, straightforward. Tanggalin nyo lang yung screen and then, same principle, ikakopy nyo lang po doon sa port, kakopy ng Qianli, then itatransfer siya dito. What if yung mismong screen ng customer is napalitan na at hindi na transfer yung True Tone function? Merong desktop software yung Qianli, pero I find it more complicated. That's the reason why bumili ako ng JCV1S kasi para na siyang computer. So let's begin doing removing the screen itself. So meron tayong other videos na troubleshooting Thursdays and also repair that we take out and replace the iPhone 8. So, tignan nyo lang po yun. I will also have it on the link para makita nyo on how to remove the screen from an iPhone 8. So, let me do a fast forward of this process. So, we have removed yung screen doon sa phone. So, ang next step po natin is to copy yung True Tone functionality from the original screen using the Qianli iCopy Plus going to the new screen. Also, in this procedure, meron po tayong link din sa baba on how to transfer the home button and the camera button from the old screen going to the new one. So, watch yun na lang po yung video na yon. So, let's copy, turn on Qianli here. So, yung Qianli po na nakuha ko po is may built-in po siyang battery. Yung mga bago ngayon na Qianli Copy Plus, kailangan po siya naka-plug in. So, the first thing that I'm going to do, so I have the old screen, the old original screen, and ilalagay ko lang po siya dito that says 7 and 8. Okay, tatanggalin ko lang po siya ulit. Okay. So, kasi hindi siya nag-sit maayos kanina. So, just take note of the last 4 digits of the screen. Kasi yun po yung kailangan natin dito. So, ibig sabihin ito po yung mga information, serial number, and True Tone functions. So, ang gagamitin ko po is yung second button that says, so here, that says read. So, i-read ko lang po siya. So, hihintayin lang natin na matapos ito. Then, I remove old screen. So, i-lift lang po natin. And then, I grab the new screen. Assuming nalipat na po natin ang home button at camera. Pero pwede naman nating i-test muna ito. Okay, and then we press the third button to write it. Magiging functional lang yung True Tone pag inilipat nyo rin yung original camera from the old screen to the new screen. Pag gumamit kayo ng new camera dito, yung serial number lang ng screen ang matatransfer nyo dito sa new screen. Okay, yung mismong True Tone functionality, naka-pair siya doon, also doon sa mga components or sensors doon sa camera. So, kailangan yung original camera na front camera, ililipat nyo siya dito para yung buong True Tone function maging complete. Okay, so I connected all the cables including the battery. So, let's test. Go! So, hindi ko muna siya ikakabit lahat. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na we successfully transferred the True Tone function of the old screen to the new screen. Settings. Okay, display and brightness. And then, mapapansin niyo na intact ang ating True Tone function. So, that's it, mga Kabayan Techers. This is your The Kabayan Tech. Subscribe po and hit the like and the bell button so para malaman niyo po kung may bago po tayong content. Again, thank you very much and have a good day.